Progress update. I was able to partially attach that passenger side rear wheel well. However, I don't have it on. It's not perfect. Sloppy welds. I'm going to have to grind a little bit. So, not completely done fitting it. However, one thing to note, I didn't know where it was going to line up, so I'm kind of going to drill after the fact, and I don't want to put too many holes there. So I'll get that cleaned up. But yeah, for now that's where it stands. And hopefully the next time I come back, I'll be able to get some more work done on it. But it's never any promises there. So I'll take the back side, and you can see I got some tacks I'm gonna put on there. I don't necessarily need to go all the way through. I'll just tack it on. But yep, that's where she's at. Peace out.